In my wildest dream, I never thought this bike was going to turn out to fit my needs as well as it does. And as the miles are rolling up on it, I find it hard to describe how much I've enjoyed this motorcycle. And of course, because it came from my lovely bride Karen as a birthday present, makes it even more special. But it's pretty special even if you just go buy it out of your own bank account. I've had a great time with it, and the people I've bumped into in gas stations and at places of meeting motorcycles, they all have that same word, fun, fun. I don't know what it is, I don't know how to describe it. Maybe it's better you don't need to know how to describe it. But all I can say is if you have a chance and down by your local Yamaha dealer you can get a free test ride on one, take it and laugh all the way to the bank. This is just an unexpectedly good motorcycle. I've enjoyed every ride so far, and we're coming up on, pretty soon we're gonna have 2,000 miles on this. And when I spoke to Luciano, he says, oh, how many miles do you have on? He thought I'd have 300 miles on it or something. When I told him, I heard the phone drop at the other end of the conversation. But anyway, I don't know if he's gonna be around today. If he is, we're gonna run up to his house. He's got this Yamaha that he's been working on, and it's ready to ride. He said it's ready to ride today. We'll find out if he's available to go for a ride. This might be a very special day. Just to review the last couple of weeks that we've had the bike. We have done the fender eliminator, the Graves kit, made a separate dedicated video on that. That has worked out just perfectly. We did a short video on polishing up the exhaust. That worked out pretty well too. And everywhere I've gone with the bike, everybody seems to notice the polished rims. And that's on a separate video. Hey, pretty much my whole life is on a separate video. But we want to get suited up and get out of here. This is turning out to be a pretty nice day. So what are we doing here? Tomatoes today? Oh, there's a lot.
Looks like there are a few.
Time to harvest the tomatoes. The early morning harvest. So much fun. We got 7 or 8 orange peppers on one plant. And flowers everywhere. It just couldn't be any better. Great way to start the day. And this is why Karen and I are so healthy. We eat from our garden. If only we could raise pigs and sheep and cows and everything. We still got to get that wire and get the check engine light off too. Looks good, baby. Wow. Who knew you were so talented? Well, at least the dog likes it. Wow. Came out nice.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I'm telling you, you really have talent. Wow. We should put you on that show. America Has Talent. Yeah. America has money. Look at this guy.
Mocha.
Oh, the dog. Oh, the little windshield looks cool.
Yeah.
Take that off. That may fit right on my bike. Actually, it probably would.
Yeah.
I gotta make something cool over the winter. I'll figure it out.
No, it won't fit because of this.
No, you gotta. And the ones they make, the ones from, forget about it.
Yeah.
They look worse than if you leave it that way. Oh, the exhaust. You got the new exhaust too?
Yeah.
Now who makes that?
It's from England. It's grey. I got that thing.
That is, look at that. Dell?
Delkovich.
Wow.
The SV650 years old. I
Yeah.
got the same one on my R6.
Oh, look, he puts all the decals on. Oh, he's like a factory Yamaha rider. Seat come out nice. Wow. This thing really looks good.
After painted frame. The frame really bothers me.
Yeah, do that over the winter though. Don't take it all apart now.
Yeah.
You said it runs perfect?
It's perfect.
Takes the gas nice?
Takes perfect. I have to go pick up. The,
Boy, it's easy to change the plugs. I wish the R1 was like that.
Yeah. I have to go. The guy had the rubber cushions.
Yeah.
They both missing, so I have to go pick up the other one.
Yeah, well, this guy probably didn't know what the hell he was doing. So, you got it, you know, not everybody's like you. Yeah, even the back end looks good. I was afraid that taillight was too bright the first time you hit the brake light.
I got this from eBay. The other one came with the back. It was a cut all the way.
Oh,
So
yeah.
I said, I don't like
Yeah, that
it.
looks good.
Was
The tires are okay, or you got to put
the
tires on
brand
it?
new.
Oh, okay. So,
I cleaned the chain.
you can clean the swing arm up.
Yeah, I cleaned the chain with the diesel fuel.
Yeah.
And,
Oh, it's even easy to get at the shock. That'll be nice when you go to put the lowering links on it.
yeah.
You ordered them already? You ordered the lowering links?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
coming this week.
When you're ready, just come over to the shop and we'll put it up on the lift. Don't do it yourself.
You check.
I'm glad you got blue that matches.
Did you see the police on you down along the road on the side of the street?
No.
Yeah.
What was that all about?
He's giving tickets.
Oh, no, I didn't see him. I wasn't speeding anyway.
Because Oakland needs money.
Yes, of course. I like the way this bike looks without the low fairing more than the one with the fairing. It's not a real naked bike though, it's a fake naked bike.
Try to sit on it and you tell me if it's high or not.
Yeah, when you sit on it, it's nice. Did this come with it or did you put this on?
I put that one.
You always got to make a Christmas tree out of the bike. Look at this. Actually, the instruments look nice.
They look
Everything
nice.
looks nice.
Yeah, I like this, the gas gauge.
Does it read right?
Oh yeah.
The one on that bike, it doesn't even go down until you get to 80, 90 miles and then it goes bleh.
Yeah.
It gives you a little warning though. Yeah, I guess that's the way. You get used to it.
Yeah.
This is nice too, these levers.
Yeah.
They're nice. I have that on the MT. Nice. Clutch is nice. Oh yeah, nice. Oh boy. That MT has a nice slipper clutch in it, boy.
Yes, I ordered set EBC brake pads.
What did he have on here? The ones that
The original
China?
one, original one,
Oh.
kind of worn.
Yeah.
And, plus the steel brake lines.
Yeah, the steel brake. How's the brake is? It's mushy.
The
Yeah, it's
back
mushy.
brakes was not that. So not what I
You're not going over the handlebars. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, it's not Brembo brakes.
But maybe you should not get Brembo brakes. For you can see out of the mirror. See, for me, I would want the mirrors out, but you could buy mirrors that are a little bit longer if you really fall in love with the bike.
They're perfect.
Paint came out great.
Yeah.
Is this Stevie Wonder metallic blue?
No, I got this from Auto Parts.
Auto Parts, okay.
For the paint.
Oh, okay. I like the instruments. They're like the FZ1. They're almost exactly the same, in
When
fact.
I got time, I got to send it down and buff it. Right now.
Good thing you know a guy that really knows his stuff when it comes to buffing. Hey, I went out last night to Vesta. Remember Vesta? Sit out in the parking lot and eat. I'm so sick this morning, though.
Yeah.
I ate the whole pie.
Home Depot special.
That's bronze you made it, not the copper like
I don't
Olin's.
remember if it's bronze or copper, either one.
Yeah,
I
it
don't
looks
remember. I
okay.
have to check the can.
You could polish those exhaust pipes up, you know, because you see the pipes on this bike.
No,
That would look nice.
That I try to polish it with the Dremel tool. It doesn't come out shiny. No luck at that one.
You got to bring it to my house, and what I'll do is I'll polish one pipe, and then you'll have to do it.
Lost. But this is
Look, here's look at my pipes. Look. You can polish them. Trust me, it just takes work.
Can we take a look? This is remember the dents?
Yeah, I remember. Yeah, Luciano. When you buy the house, we do the low link. I'll run the buffing wheel on that for you. I'll buff up you. Look how nice that looks.
But that's brand new. This one's
bullshit. The steel doesn't know. The steel is 1,000,000 years old. I'll buff that right up. Well, you have a cup of coffee with Karen. I'll buff that for you.
The plating wears out over the years.
This is not plating. It's probably stainless steel.
Inside go article.
That's why you buff it. Once a month you buff it. And the side benefit, you get nice and strong like me. You could lift 20 pounds weight over your head and eat the pizza.
I look at the exhaust.
What is it? A voltmeter.
Voltmeter. It reads when it's running
Oh, yeah,
15.6.
Well, start it up. Let's see. No, I know. I believe you. I believe you.
No.
So how much was it?
$10 on Amazon.
How much?
$10.
Oh, I may have to get that. That's good if you scratch the bike. You could put it somewhere. And it's plugged in. Oh, there you go. 14.5 volts. Beautiful. Wow. You know who likes stuff like that? Jose and Porno Pete. They always like that.
This is good for all with all
Yeah,
bikes.
yeah.
You never know they want to go
Oh,
quick.
yeah. With the RD, I bet. The thing's probably taking 9 volts. So what's the deal here? You going to ride any of the Ducatis in the future?
Yeah,
or these old ones?
Alternate, yeah.
Yeah, but once you get the 999, these things are like they're rough on the behind.
I got excess for sale on Craigslist. I want to sell that one too.
All right, so we'll just head up to Perry's and see if any of the old geezers are there.
The Skyline Drive, 1.6.
You could lead the way.
Yeah.
You know, this thing protects you, but they were hiding. You said where they were hiding? On Longmeadow?
Long Hill Road down down to Auckland.
Okay, this thing usually beeps a mile ahead, but, well, we'll figure it out. I'll let you lead. This way you get the ticket, and I get to take pictures of you getting away in handcuffs.
You picked off for what I did, right?
Yeah. We are back from a wonderful ride, and thank you very much. Look, my neighbor Jason's just coming over here to oogle a bike.
Exactly.
Good choice. Think you should buy one.
Maybe.
So Jason approves. He said it was a good choice. Hey, everybody likes this bike. Vlad, the Vlad that we know from Perry's, he loved it. In fact, he's got one, and he dumped his Aprilia. And I'm happy to hear that everybody I bump into that has one of these or has ridden one, boy, you don't hear a lot of bad, you don't hear any, in fact. And what makes it very special, it handles like a bike that's 100 pounds lighter. It's super nimble, and it's got 118 horsepower. Anyway, I want to thank the healthcare workers. God, you guys do a wonderful job, and I'm happy to thank you every time I make a video. And everybody, geez, it amazes me that everybody that has some opinion about this bike has the same single word: fun bike. Wow. And I guess in the beginning, that's why we all started riding anyway. And then some went off into Track Dayville and Motocrossville, but we all started riding because it was fun. And it's still fun. Hey. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.